So good morning, 7th graders. Today we will continue with our session on TEK 7.3b, which is to multiply, divide, add, and subtract rational numbers. And I must say, well done on making it through the week so far. You guys have done a great job. I hope you guys are ready for your post-test tomorrow. You got this. So let's look at number 4 on page 97. We're multiplying -1/5 by -5/6. Remember, when we're multiplying two negatives, negative and negative becomes a positive, and we just multiply across. Okay, so it's going to be 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. We know that negative and negative is positive. So we look for a common factor. We can reduce this fraction to a simpler form, but what is the common factor between the numerator and the denominator? So we're going to divide by 5, both the numerator and denominator. So we get 1 out of 6. Our final answer is 1/6. So at this time, you guys will take a look at number 6. Teachers at this time, please pause the video so they can take about 2 minutes to solve, or probably less than 2, maybe a minute or 2 to solve number 6. Okay, let's see how you did for number 6. We have a negative and a positive, so it's going to be a negative. So our final answer is going to be a negative fraction. So 1 times 2 is 2. Out of 12 times 5 is 60. So it's going to be -2 out of 60. What is the common factor between 2 and 60? 2. We can divide by 2 to reduce this fraction to a simpler form. Divide by 2, both numerator and denominator. So 2 divided by 2 is, don't forget your negative sign, it's 1. Out of 60 divided by 2 is 30. So our final answer is -1 out of 30.